Okay, so today we will see the fifth and sixth piece together. Nothing big there. Okay, we'll just we'll rush through that. So as I told you, you can publish digitally and deliver through digital means, or publish in paper and deliver through hand, post or courier, shop and booksellers. So what will be the difference between these four delivery methods? You can give your answers. பஸ் 4 பேர் தானே இருக்கும், தாராளமா பேசுங்க. இதுல 4 டெலிவரி மெத்தட் சொல்றேன்ல, இந்த 4 டெலிவரி மெத்தட்ஸ்ல what do you think will be the differences?
If we just have to hand, we have to we approach individual person. Poster,
Yes.
we have multiple person at the same time. We explain all these things to.
Yes.
For example, we have a conference. We just have to put the poster. We just have to everyone have. We convey the message to the audience. For example, more than 5 or 10. Shops also the same.
Yes, you are right.
And that's the main difference.
Okay. Okay. So I think someone has joined. So we are just in the second slide. When you are packing and delivering, you can publish digitally and deliver through digital means, or you publish in paper and deliver through hand, post, shops or booksellers. The difference will be here. If you are distributing by hand, you can give to only those who you meet. And in that case, you get this 10% author royalty and you get this 30%. If you are sending by post or courier, you have to pack and send it yourself. You will get this 10% author royalty and this 30%. If you are sending to shops, then you will get 10% royalty and 20%. If you are sending to booksellers, you will get 10% royalty and only 10%. In other words, as we have already seen this on day 1, I think. Suppose if you are only writing a book, you get only 10%. If you are also doing the work of a publisher, you will get this cost. If you are also suppose when you are delivering by the hand, you get all this money. Okay. Suppose you are giving to the shop, you get this only. When you are giving to the retailer, you get this only. So in summary, if you see, in a course of a book, everyone has their own margins, right? Now, if you are doing the work of only author, you get only 10%. If you are doing the work of the publisher, you get another 10%. If you are doing the work of the retailer, you get another 10%. If you are doing the work of the shop, you get another 10%. So, in short, the no pain, no gain. The more work you do, the more money you get. The less work you do, the less money you get from your book. This is very, very simple logic. Now, how do you decide what work you are going to do and what work you are not going to do? Just here. Very, very simple is, whatever process you really enjoy doing, you do that work. For example, it is just like driving. You see, some people will enjoy driving. Some people do want to sleep during the travel. Some people will want to read during travel. Some people will want to see the sceneries during travel. Some people will really enjoy driving. Now, same way, there are various processes here. Suppose you enjoy only writing, you only write. If you don't enjoy writing, you hire someone to write and put it in your name. That is ghost writing. If you like to type, you type. If you want to draw, you draw. If you like to make charts, you make charts. If you like to promote your book yourself, you do it. If you want to carry your book and proudly distribute it to yourself, you do it. If you want to pack, you like pack and send to each one with your personal letter, you do it. So whatever be the process you do, you will get money, but there will be also a lack of time. And I mean, you have to invest your time and your physical work. So if you enjoy doing that part of the publishing work, you take it up. Otherwise, please outsource. This is the take-home message for your publishing, for your book. So now coming to the next P, how to promote. The question is simple. Where you have to promote, you promote online, you promote offline. Who will promote? You yourself has to promote, others will promote. We have to shamelessly sell our book because it is our intellectual property. There is nothing like there should be no shame, there should be no hesitation in selling our book because we have invested your brain, you have invested your knowledge, you have invested your wisdom, you have invested your experience, and all this has been written, edited, designed, printed. So there is nothing wrong in advertising it ourselves. We are not selling some MLM products for us to be ashamed or hesitant. We have to proudly market our book. Only if we market our books, others will help us in the marketing. And do it online as well as offline. Leave no area untouched. And there is one beauty is when you promote your book online, over a period of time, that will also increase the offline, that is the print sales. And when you print a book and give the link or QR code for the digital version, this will promote the others. Okay. So online books with a link to buy the book, paper book will promote the paper book, and paper book having a link to buy the online edition will promote the online edition. So the most important point is one promotes the other. And next is even among online versions, each one will promote each other. Kindle will promote Google Books, they will promote website will promote the other two, and so on. So regarding the promotional materials and all, there is nothing will be perfect. Whatever you like, you do. Over a period of time, you will yourself understand which works better for which books and which works better for which type of book and which audience. Now coming to the next question, why do books sell less? Very simple. The audience is not at all aware of the book. If the audience is not at all aware of the book won't sell. Or the design does not attract the audience, the book won't sell. The content does not attract the audience, the book won't sell. So what is the solution? Simple. To make the audience aware of the book, you have to promote the book. To make the audience, the design attract the book, you have to present it in a good way. To make that the content attracts the book, you have to plan. That's all. So do a proper planning, do presentation, do promotion. Right now, most of the authors are doing the writing part and you are doing the printing part. But the real key in sale comes in the planning, presenting, and promotion. Next question, why do you write a book? There can be only 4 reasons. One is you are very good at writing. Okay. Second is you love to write. Third is the world needs this book. Fourth is the world will pay for this book. Okay. So Essentially, if you are writing a book, whatever be the reason, it can be summed up into one or the more of the above. That is, you are very good at writing, you want to write, and you may or may not be good, but you love to write and you write. The world needs this book. You are trying to tell something which is very, very important, and you are writing, and the world will pay for this. So you are going to get money, you are writing. So why you write should be classified into one of the four. Now, any one will be always true. Okay. Any two will be also true. Any three is rare. And if all the four is true, you are either J.K. Rowling or Michael Crichton or Sidney Shelton. So you cannot expect everything to sink in the first place itself. If you are very good at writing and you also love to write, and the world also needs this book, the world will also pay for this, then you are William Shakespeare. So if something one of this doesn't happen, for example, you write a book which you think is very much needed, but someone is not paying, don't worry, promote it. If you are good at writing, yes, even if you are not good at writing, but you can write a book which will pay well. If you can write a book which is needed by the world, right, over a period of time, in the second edition, we can upgrade it. So as remember this, all these four won't be met immediately. If you are having a tick mark in all four these boxes, then you are J.K. Rowling, Sidney Shelton, or someone as big as this. So the moral is, even if the two boxes tick, you have to go on with the book. So you are good at writing and you love to write. It is your passion. You love to write and the world needs this book. It is a mission. The world needs this book and the world will pay for it. It is a vocation. The world will pay for this, and if you are good at writing, it is your profession. That's all. And you can put it into this chart. What you love, what you are good at, what can be paid for, what the world needs. And it is very rare for everything to come here. Don't worry, even if it fits into any of the other boxes, you can continue to write. And how to increase your royalty? Very good, simple. Either you sell more books or do more work for the book you are doing, as we explained earlier. And what are the advantages of self-publishing? I told you, you will get more money, but if you like the process, you will enjoy it. Or if you, so whatever processes you enjoy, you do it. Okay, now you can ask your questions. For those Sudarshini and Loganathan sir, I will share the video. We just had a few discussions only. And if you have doubt, we will cover it tomorrow also. No problem.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
So, what else? Doubts in what we have discussed today? Doubts in what we have discussed in the past 4 days? Any specific doubt also you can raise. If I am not able to answer now, I will prepare and we'll discuss tomorrow. Anand sir, Aravind sir, Sendil sir.
No doubts.
Okay. If no doubts, then yes. If no doubts, means we can call it a day. and wishing a good night and sweet dreams.
Okay, you send the recordings. I will see the recordings and I
Yes,
will go for sleeping.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure,
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you.